Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to enable 120 FPS in Apex Legends Mobile. And for to enable 120 FPS, I have two methods for you. And the first one is little bit easy than the second one. So if the first one is not works for you, then you can try the second method. And before starting the video, I just want to tell you guys that these two methods is only for the rooted device. So if your device is not rooted, you guys can wait. I will make a video on this topic too. So subscribe our channel and stay tuned, and let's start with the first method. So in the first method, you need to install an Magisk module, which is for to enable or unlock the 120 FPS in Apex Legends Mobile. So first open the Magisk app, then go to the module section and click on install from storage. Then you guys can select the file, and the file link is in the description box, so download it from there. And after selecting the file, here you can see the installation process will start. Now press on the any volume key for the volume test. Then you can see the other options for to enable 120 fps, and the first option is for 120 fps. And for to select the 120 fps option, just press the volume down key and the process will start and the module will install successfully. Now close the Magisk app from recent and open the game. And if this method is not work for you, then you can try the second method. Now let's move to the second method. So in the second method, you guys need an app which is Empty File Manager, and it is also a rooted app. So you need to install it, and after installing, it will ask for a root permission and you need to grant it. I already granted. And here you can see the two directories. On the left side, you need to open the file which I already given the link in the description box, that zip file. I will ban you. And here you can see the on the second side, you need to select it and go to the root directory. Then go to the data folder and again go into the data folder. Then scroll down and search for the Apex game data folder, and I am searching also. So here you can see the com.ea apex something its name, and now open it and then go into the files folder. Then go into the ANOTMP folder, and after this, here you can see on the left side the first one file ANOEMU something like that. Hold on this file, then click on extract, and after this click on OK, then again click on OK, and now the file will successfully replace. Now go back to the folder and hold the ANOTMP folder, then click on properties, and after this here you can see the permission and modify. So click on modify, then tick the last option. Here you can see also apply to subfolders or subfiles, and click on it, then close. After this, you need to go into the UE4 game folder. Now go into the AC client folder, then again AC client, and after this go into the saved folder, and now click on the config folder, means you go into the config folder, then Android. And after this, here you can see on the left side the second file user custom.ini. Hold it and then click on extract, then click on OK, and then again click on OK to copy and replace the file. And here all the work done. Now open the game, and here you can see the 120 fps will enable into your Apex Legends Mobile. So that's all for the today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So like this video and subscribe our channel and share as much as you can this video.